Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyanesh Chandra. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Then you got lot of type of video to learning mathematics in easily and understanding method. Sometimes we enjoy mathematics, but sometimes we take tension in mathematics solution. So do not take any type of tension. If you don't know the one method of the solution, then use second method and other method. So I teach you all type of method to solve the mathematical problem. So today's topic is in coordinate geometry. The how we divide the line in two parts by section formula. Section formula is decided by two types. Means if we have 2 points just like A and B, it can be divided by two methods. First, it divide externally. Here C divide the external point in of line AB in any ratio, and D divide the AB line in internally. Sometime any point divide the line means coordinate in internally and sometime externally. So today we learn the internally and externally section formula and how to find the coordinate of this point. So let's start today's first question. Here we have given the find the coordinate of that point. We have to find the coordinate of that point which divide the line, a line with joining these 2 points. Internally the ratio, internally they divide that point. Ratio is 2:3. So we have given a line which join 2 points. A point is -2 and 1. -2 and 1. And second, B point is 5 and 4. Here we have given 2 point coordinate and ask him a point divide this line in the ratio of 2:3. It divide in the ratio of 2:3. But so we have to find the coordinate of P. Suppose that is XY. Because generally we have not coordinate, then we suppose that the coordinate is XY. So by section formula, we have a section formula for finding the coordinate of any point which is internally and externally divide the line. First, if a point divide the internally, then formula is for x coordinate. For x coordinate is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. Second, for y coordinate, it is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Here we see that the coordinate of any point, then if we want to find the value of x, then we use the formula of this, and if we want to find the value of y, then we use this formula. For internally and externally section formula does not have any difference. Internally we use the addition sign and externally we use the subtraction sign. Otherwise both are 100% same. Both are 100% same. Only sign will be changed. In internally we use the addition sign and externally we use the subtraction sign. Now always remember that in section formula always you suppose x1 y1 is first point coordinate, first point, and second on end point coordinate is x2 y2, means last point coordinate is x2 y2, and in ratio first ratio is m1 and second ratio is m2. First ratio is m1, second ratio is m2. Now we use the section formula here. m1 is 2 multiply x2 5 plus m2 3 x1 minus 2 upon m1 plus m2 2 plus 3 5 to the 10 minus 6 upon 5, then we get 4 upon 5. Means we have to find the coordinate of x. Then we solve the y by similar method. m1 2 m2 3 y2 4. plus y1 is 1 and sum of m1 plus m2 is 2 plus 3 equals to 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3 11 upon 2 plus 3 5. Then we got the solution is 11 upon 5. Means the coordinate of P point is 4 upon 5 and 11 upon 5. It is very easy for solution, but always remember that m1 ratio is first ratio, m2 means second ratio, x1 y1 is first point coordinate and x2 y2 is second point coordinate. By this method we can calculate the section formula easily. It does not have change in internally and externally, but only change in sign. Only change in sign. In externally we use the subtraction sign. Otherwise all solution methods are same. So let's take another question. Here we have given the find the coordinate of that point, similar question, which divide the line segment joining these 2 points. Here number are different, but method are not changed. And generally here ratio is also not changed, but sometimes ratio will be changed. It does not happen, so do not take any type of tension. Generally, first you write the name of point by draw a line segment A and B. A point coordinate is 3, 5. B point coordinate is 7, 9. In middle a point, suppose that is B. It is our choice and ratio is 2:3. By this method we can use section formula. We remember that x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. It is the section formula. Always use if you want to divide the any line segment in the ratio in parts. So here m1 is 2 multiply x2 7 plus 3 multiply 3 upon 2 plus 3. 7 to the 14 plus 9 upon 5 means 23 upon 5. It is our choice if we want to change it in mixed fraction, then we can change it. So after changing mixed fraction, 5 4 is 20, 4 3 upon 5. Next, y point coordinate m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Here, if you observe that here both formula are same, only change in xy, x2 y2, m2 m2, m1 m1, m1 m1, m2 m2, x1 y1. Only change in y replaced by x, y replaced by x only. So solving it, 2 multiply 9 plus 3 multiply 5 upon 2 plus 3. Next, 9 2 is 18 and 5 3 is 50. 2 plus 3 5, 18 and 15 is 33. Upon 5 by changing mixed fraction, then we got 6 3 upon 5. Hence, we got the coordinate of P point is 4 3 upon 5 and 6 3 upon 5. By this method, we can calculate the any point of coordinate which divide the line segment with joining any 2 points by section formula. So let's take our today's last question. So let's start. Here we have given the find the coordinate of that point which divide externally. Here are given externally divide the line segment joining these 2 points in the ratio of 7:9. Means here we have given 2 points A and B, which coordinate is 5 minus 2, second minus 1 1 upon 2 and 4, and a point is outside of this line segment P divided in 7:9. Always remember that if it divides 7:9 means here first part is small, first ratio is small, so it divides externally in A side, yani means first side, first point side. So P divided in 7:9 means PA is 7:9 means PA and PB ratio is 7:9. If starting number ratio number is big, then the coordinate will become first point side. If last number ratio is big, last number ratio is small, then it will become in end, second point side. Which point ratio is small, it will become that point side. So solving it, so take section formula, m1 h2 m2 x1 upon m1 m2. In previous time, we take the sign of addition. So now we take the subtraction sign. So m1 is 7 multiply x2 is -1 1/2. That simple form is -3/2. -3/2. Now we use -3/2 minus. m2 is 9 multiply x1 is 5 upon 7 minus 9. Now solve it. 7 multiplied by 3 is -21/2 minus 9 5 the 45 upon -2. Now we take the LCM. LCM, if we take LCM 2, then it will be goes to in denominator, in multiplication. So we get -2 multiplied 2 and numerator -21 is as it is, -45 to the 90. After solving it, we get -111/4. -4. Minus will be cancelled, then our answer is 111/4. 111/4. In next coordinate, y. Y equals to m1 y2 minus m2 y1 upon m1 minus m2. By this method, we can calculate again. m1 is 7, y2 is 4, m2 9, y1 is -2, 7 minus 9. After solving, 7 4 ja 28, 9 2 ja 18, upon we get -2, 28 plus 18 means 46. 46 upon -2, then we get -23. By this method, we can calculate the point coordinate of that point which divide it externally. So thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon and wait for next video.